Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the world of engine care and exploring the top 5 best synthetic oils of 2024. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or just someone who wants to keep their vehicle running smoothly, you're in for a treat. Check the links in the description for more details and let us know in the comments which synthetic oil caught your attention. Let's jump right into it. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Amazon Basics Full Synthetic Oil. Known for its reliability and affordability, this oil is a great option for those looking for quality without breaking the bank. Stay tuned to find out why the Amazon Basics oil made it to our top picks. Amazon Basics 6-pack of full synthetic motor oil, a premium solution for your engine's needs. This pack of 6 1-quart bottles is formulated with precision to meet the demands of modern engines, offering exceptional performance and protection. Crafted with a 5W, 30 viscosity grade, this motor oil is designed to ensure smooth operation in a variety of driving conditions. Its advanced formulation, certified as SN Plus and Dexos 1, Gen 2, guarantees superior quality and reliability, allowing for longer drain intervals between oil changes. Say goodbye to rust and corrosion with our motor oil's unique formulation, which actively prevents buildup that can harm your engine over time. By reducing friction and wear, this oil promotes engine longevity, ensuring your vehicle stays in peak condition mile after mile. Not only does our motor oil protect your engine, but it also contributes to reducing exhaust emissions, making it an environmentally conscious choice. Plus, its high resistance to viscosity and thermal breakdown means it maintains its integrity even under extreme temperatures and operating conditions. Trust Amazon Basics Full Synthetic Motor Oil to keep your engine running smoothly, efficiently, and with reduced emissions. Upgrade to our premium quality oil and experience the difference in performance and protection today. Coming in at number 4 is the Penol Platinum Full Synthetic Oil. Penol is a trusted name in the automotive industry, and their Platinum series is no exception. Ready to discover why the Penol Platinum Oil is a favorite among car owners? Keep watching. Penol Platinum Full Synthetic 5W, 20 Motor Oil, the ultimate choice for superior engine performance and protection. Engineered with natural gas, this advanced formula offers complete protection to ensure your engine operates at its peak. With a lifespan of up to 15 years or 500,000 miles, whichever comes first, our motor oil is designed to extend the life of your engine, providing unparalleled longevity and reliability. Rest assured, your vehicle will remain in top condition with Penol Platinum. Experience better fuel economy with our full synthetic 5W, 20 engine oil, surpassing the latest industry standards. Additionally, our formula keeps pistons up to 45% cleaner than the toughest industry standard, ensuring optimal engine cleanliness. Penol Platinum offers unmatched wear protection from friction, outperforming other leading synthetic oils in wear tests. Whether you're facing extreme heat or low temperatures, our motor oil provides faster oil flow and superior protection to keep your engine running smoothly. Each bottle contains 5 quarts of oil and features an ergonomic design for easy handling and pouring. Upgrade to Penol Platinum Full Synthetic 5W, 20 motor oil today and experience the difference in engine performance and protection. Securing the third spot is the Castrol Edge Advanced Full Synthetic Oil. Castrol is renowned for its high-performance oils, and the Edge series is a testament to their quality. Find out what makes the Castrol Edge oil stand out from the rest. Castrol Edge 5W, 30 Advanced Full Synthetic Motor Oil, the ultimate solution for superior engine protection and performance. Crafted with precision and innovation, this motor oil offers exceptional benefits to keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently. Experience unparalleled durability with Castrol Edge, which is 3 times stronger against viscosity breakdown compared to leading full synthetic oils. Our motor oil boasts 10 times better high-temperature performance, ensuring optimal engine function even under extreme conditions. With 6 times better wear protection and 1.4 times better sludge protection, Castrol Edge provides comprehensive coverage to safeguard your engine against wear and tear, ensuring longevity and reliability. Additionally, our formula meets ILSAC GF6 standards to prevent low-speed pre-ignition, LSBI, and protect against timing chain wear. Each package contains 5 quarts of advanced full synthetic motor oil, providing ample supply for your vehicle's needs. Upgrade to Castrol Edge 5W30 today and experience the difference in engine performance and protection. Trust Castrol to keep your engine running stronger for longer. Stepping into the runner-up position is the Valvoline High Mileage Oil. Designed specifically for high-mileage vehicles, this oil is perfect for keeping older engines running smoothly. Explore why the Valvoline High Mileage Oil is a top choice for car enthusiasts in 2024. Valvoline High Mileage with Max Life Technology SAE 5W20 Synthetic Blend Motor Oil, the ultimate solution for aging engines that need extra care and protection. Designed to address the unique needs of high-mileage vehicles, this motor oil offers superior wear protection and performance enhancements to keep your engine running smoothly. With Max Life technology, Valvoline High Mileage provides 40% better wear protection than the industry standard, preventing engine breakdown and extending the life of your vehicle's engine. The inclusion of seal conditioners helps refresh aging seals and prevent leaks, ensuring optimal performance and reliability. Our advanced formula also works to reduce sludge, deposits, corrosion, and rust with added detergents, keeping your engine clean and free from harmful buildup. Enhanced friction performance maximizes power output, allowing your engine to operate at its full potential. Valvoline High Mileage meets or exceeds all requirements of ILSAC GF 6A, API-SP, API-SN with SN Plus and API-SN, ensuring top-notch quality and performance standards. Made in America and formulated to maximize your engine's life and improve its performance, Valvoline High Mileage is the trusted choice for drivers looking to protect their high-mileage vehicles. Upgrade to Valvoline High Mileage with Max Life technology today and experience the difference in engine protection and performance. Trust Valvoline to keep your engine running strong for miles to come. And now, claiming the #1 spot is the Mobil 1 Extended Performance Full Synthetic Oil. Mobil 1 is a household name in the world of synthetic oils, and their Extended Performance series is the epitome of quality and performance. Don't miss the chance to explore why the Mobil 1 Extended Performance Oil is our top pick. Mobil 1 Extended Performance Full Synthetic Motor Oil 5W30, the ultimate solution for superior engine protection and performance. Designed to go the distance, this full synthetic motor oil helps protect critical engine parts for up to 20,000 miles between oil changes *, ensuring long-lasting reliability and efficiency for your vehicle. Mobil 1 Extended Performance utilizes Mobil 1's Triple Action Plus formula to deliver outstanding engine performance, protection, and cleanliness. Its advanced formula controls oxidation to prevent oil breakdown, maintaining excellent viscosity and ensuring optimal engine function. Meeting ILSAC GF 6 standards, this motor oil provides low-speed pre-ignition, LSBI, and timing chain wear protection, keeping your engine clean and improving fuel economy. By working to prevent damaging deposits and sludge buildup, Mobil 1 Extended Performance helps extend engine life, ensuring lasting durability and performance. With excellent internal engine heat protection of up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and low-temperature protection down to -40 degrees Fahrenheit, Mobil 1 Extended Performance offers comprehensive protection in all driving conditions. Trust Mobil 1 Extended Performance to keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently mile after mile. Upgrade to Mobil 1 Extended Performance Full Synthetic Motor Oil 5W30 today and experience the difference in engine performance and longevity. Mobil 1, the ultimate choice for superior engine protection and performance. There you have it, car enthusiasts, our top 5 best synthetic oils of 2024. Each oil brings its own unique benefits to keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently. Check the links in the description for more details, and let us know in the comments which synthetic oil caught your attention. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell for more automotive content. Until next time, happy driving!